In this today's videos, I want to share with you how you can make your first $1,000 online using the power of internet, Amazon, Facebook, and PayPal. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Justin and I'm just a normal guy trying to spread out positivity and also about the financial literacy knowledge that I have acquired over the course of my life. And I also want to share with you how I can make money online, and I hope that somehow I can inspire you guys to make money online as well, so that way we can save our time from commuting and also to have more time to spend to our family and the loved one that we have. Okay guys, so here are the two needed for us to actually jumpstart this business. Keep in mind, this business is a short-term business. It's not scalable, and what you are doing is you're trading your time to get a free product, and later on you can sell that product for money. And this is a great way for somebody that are actually saving up some money, like $500, $600, like $1,000. Depends on like what is your specific needs. It could be like jumpstart your business, or to help other the people that needed the money in your family, or also like buying something you like the most. But keep in mind, save your money, invest it, because otherwise you will regret later. Alright, so here are the two. First, you will need an Amazon account. So for the Amazon account, there's a requirement. You make sure that your account can leave a reviews. So how do you know it? You can go to your Amazon order and click on order detail and click on leave a review, and you can leave like a random reviews as long as Amazon send you a confirmation that your review has been submitted and live on Amazon website. That means your account is now eligible to leave a reviews. If you are not having an Amazon account at all, make sure that you sign up for one, and make sure that you meet Amazon $50 purchase in order to leave a reviews. Here's the tip. You can actually find a product giveaway on Facebook and just find two products, each one at $25, or you can find one product that above $50, as long as your whole order meet at least $50 of Amazon policy, you will be eligible to leave a review on Amazon. So the second tool that need would be a Facebook account. So with a Facebook account, it's gonna help you to find product that people are giving away, and the people that are giving away the product are actually Amazon seller like myself. We actually need reviews on Amazon in order to sell our product as a social proof that people are actually endorse our product. So it's a win-win situation, as you get a product for free, and us as an Amazon seller can get a positive reviews. Keep in mind, this is not review manipulation. You can give your honest feedback about the product as well. There's no catch at all. And also you are covered with Amazon 30 days free return. So there's no risk for you at all in this type of business. And at the end, you're gonna get a free product that you can sell, or you can use and sell later. For me myself, I have like a projector. It's like $200. They gave it for me for $200. So it's a free $200 projector. I can use it for like 1 month or two, and then I can sell it for like $100. People will still buy it because why? It's a projector and the value is still there. Make sure you don't ruin it though. So the third tool that need for you in this business would be a PayPal account. So the PayPal account, what's the need for it? You actually gonna receive the money from the people that give away the product. So after you purchase the product, leave a review on Amazon and notify those people. They will actually reimburse you through your PayPal account within 24 to 48 hours after your review is active on Amazon. When I mentioned about active review on Amazon, that means your review is now visible to other customer on Amazon. So that would be the PayPal account. And later on, I can, because I want to keep the video short, I don't want to make it too long for you guys. So I will make it another videos where I can recommend which credit card will be beneficial for you to actually use it. Because with credit card, if you meet a certain amount that's spending, you can actually get back some money. For example, I have an Amex credit card. I spent like $1,000 on it just by purchasing product like this, and they gave me $150 back in credit within like after like 1 or 2 months. So I'm not benefit from one side but both side. So that would be, I would be putting that information in another video, so that way I can keep this video short for you guys, so that way you guys can actually start taking action. Because sometimes when there's a long video with information, you're gonna get overwhelmed, and once you get overwhelmed, you won't take any action. I don't want that to happen, because I'm gonna put a lot of hours in this, and I hope that you guys can actually make money and actually pay for the things that you love, jumpstart your business and other type of business. All right, so let's jump right into the Facebook and how I can teach you how you can actually make Facebook show you more relevant posts to your interests. And your interest here would be finding free product in exchange for reviews. So first we need to find deals and free product deals that are offered to us. So this is Facebook app, and usually when you scroll through your Facebook app, you usually notice there like a get it now post, like free beta tester for your latest product, get a free sample. What you need to do is you want to interact with the post, so that way the Facebook algorithm will show more and more relevant posts to your interest. Your interest here would be to test more free products. So for example, for this one, you want to interact with it, and after you interact, you can click on the send message button and make sure you like it. When you click on the send message, a pop-up window will show, and you just follow along with it. So here's an example after I click on the send message box. So if you can see, they would show you like instruction and the product that you can choose to test. And all you need to do is just follow the instruction, read it carefully. There's no catch. So what they're doing is they just want you to test the product and leave a positive reviews on Amazon, so that way they can grow their business. So it's a win-win situation. You got a free product, they got a reviews, and usually leaving a review is not that big of a deal, just like a 5 minute or so. So in here I got a speaker, a karaoke system, and usually you want to let them know that you have received it, and if they have any further instruction. And usually what they need was just a reviews, quick reviews, and maybe a picture or so. And after you leave a reviews, make sure that you take a screenshot and send it to them. And once your reviews is live on Amazon, let them know, and they will reimburse you through your preferred payment method. And usually it is credit. They will credit you to PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account. Most of the time, the product giveaway person would send you a reimbursement usually within 24 to 48 hours after your product review is live on Amazon. Live reviews mean that your reviews is now visible to other customer on Amazon. So now we'll show you in the PayPal app how you can check if the reimbursement has been sent. So here is the receipt. Usually when somebody sends you money, you can see a receipt on the PayPal account. And in this one, they have reimbursed me. You can check by checking the serial number under the 5.84 fee, ending like 852. You can go to your order, Amazon order, and check the order number. Both number will be the same, ending in 852. Here is another example. With this one, they're asking me for my Amazon profile link, so that way they can verify if I have a history of leaving reviews in the past. And usually there's some would asking you for the profile link, but some would not ask you for it. But I would recommend to have your Amazon profile link and your PayPal account in handy. Just whenever they're asking for it, you have it ready. So after follow their instruction, I found the product on Amazon. I usually take a screenshot and send it to them so they can verify if the product is what they are selling. And after that, they will tell me to order it. After I order, I send them a screenshot of my order receipt. Once you receive the product, just let them know that hey, I just received the product. So usually they would asking you for your PayPal account so that way you can receive the reimbursement. And once your product review is live on Amazon or being active on Amazon, which is visible to other customer, they will proceed to reimburse you through your PayPal account, and usually it takes like 24 to 48 hours. Just be patient, they will reimburse you for sure. So let's check our PayPal account to see if they have reimbursed to us or not. So I'll log in my PayPal account app on my mobile phone. With this one, you can do it on your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop at all. So now we are in the PayPal app. So if you can click on your activity, it will redirect you to your activity. And now click on the money in section where people will send you the money, and here's the history. If you notice, this is how much I've gotten so far from doing this. And if you notice, this is the receipt from the projector. You can see that November 25th, 2019. You can go back to the messenger to see if they have reimbursed you that amount on that date. Okay, so that's how we get the product for free. And I know some of you will be asking, well, just got the product for free doesn't mean that you are making that amount of money. So here's the mentality. So first we need to get the product for free, and then we're gonna resell it online or through like a local places where you give the customer, your local customer or other customer, better deals than whatever they're selling on Amazon. That's how much you can make. Let's say the product are selling for $100. If you can give like a better deal of like $60, $70, people would usually buy it. Or maybe like $50 instead of like $100. You're gonna move that unit very fast. So the main thing here is how fast you can move the product. Is if you're pricing your reselling price high, like close to the Amazon pricing, it's gonna be slow to move that product. But if you can give the customer a heck of a deal, let's say like $50 instead of $100, it's gonna move very fast. And also another thing to keep in mind, that you want to make sure that the product that you are receiving is a good product. And how do you know it is a good product? Based on my experience, I have like selling electronics in the past, and most of the product that are selling very well are electronic that are like projector, dash cam, like hair straightener, anything that are being used in a day-to-day life will be sold very fast. So that's pretty much it, and I will show you how you can list it on eBay and also on other local platform like online, like OfferUp, 5 Miles, to sell those products. It could be a little hassle because making money is not easy. It's not something that falling from the sky, something that you are like picking up from the trash can or like from the ground. Something you have to put in the work to get that money. But with this one, no upfront cost that much, just a little bit of your time, but you're looking at getting money at a guaranteed success rate. So here we're on eBay. We can search for the product names in the title from Amazon. Just copy and paste it on the eBay search bar. You will see the product you are having in your hand would be also selling on eBay. Most of the time there are other people that are doing the same method, and if you see here, sometimes the price, as long as there's a good price, people will buy it. And with eBay, you can actually reach more to potential customer all around the US. And also, all you need to just list it on eBay. Make sure you create an account with eBay and list it on eBay. And once the product being sold, just have to ship it to the customer. And beside eBay, there's also other platforms such as Facebook Marketplace and eBay, not eBay, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and 5 Miles. Though those apps that I refer would be connecting you with the local, the people around within your city or your state that interested in your product. However, please keep in mind that you always, and you must meet them at a public place with security cameras such as Starbucks. I usually prefer Starbucks because it's always a safe place where there are like a lot of people going back and forth. So there is more safer for you as a sellers. And you can also sell to your friends, your family, and your relative. There must be somebody in your family or your friend that are in need of that specific product that you're having. So just give them a good deal. So you're going to have to be dealing with such a hassle to going back and forth, meeting other people or shipping the product. But if you don't have anybody that in your family or that you know interested, you can also have that eBay offer of 5 Miles Facebook Marketplace available. So that should be it for this video. And make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video where I will be explaining about the credit card that I will be using for leveraging to buy the product and to get the cash back and also the travel point on the credit card for free traveling. And also I will explain to you more about the group that I will be creating, and make sure you join my Telegram group and Facebook group where I can share with you the deal from the giveaway people that give me the projector, for example, and other like electronic deals. And I will be giving you the electronics product that I think will be sell well. If you guys have any question, make sure you leave a comment below. So I will try my best to reply all of you guys' question, and make sure that you guys like this video, subscribe, and share to other people, to the person that you think would need this video the most to make that money and just fulfill their dreams. And hopefully you guys enjoy my videos. If you stay all the way until the end, I just want you to know that I really appreciate your time, and I hope you can make some money from these videos, and make sure that I will be here if you ever need help. And I just want everybody to make more and more money, and look forward for the next video dropping soon. Thank you very much, and make sure you stay hungry and patient.